Car, do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't.
All right. Why were you driving over 100 miles an hour?
It's my granddaughter's birthday.
July 24th, 2025, Merritt Parkway, Route 15, Connecticut, United States. A quiet, tree-lined highway on the East Coast. But on this day, one vehicle was moving at over 100 miles per hour. Behind the wheel, former WWE chairman Vince McMahon. Within seconds, that speed would turn into impact.
Car, do you need an ambulance?
No, I don't.
All right. Why were you driving over 100 miles an hour?
It's my granddaughter's birthday. I got to get this the next
All
exit.
right. Did you see me trying to catch up to you behind you?
I didn't see that. I saw lights, but it didn't look normal.
All right. Yeah, I'm trying to catch up to you, and you keep taking off.
Oh, no. I'm not trying to outrun you.
I know. I understand that, but that's why I was very confused. All right, because it wasn't like you were running. It was just like you almost hit, I think, 115 miles an hour. All right, and then you just hit someone because you weren't paying attention. Were you looking at your phone?
No, trying to drive. No, I'm not looking at my phone.
The person was right in front of you. There's got to be a reason you hit him.
No. I haven't been driving my car in God knows how long.
All right. It was right in front of you. You went straight at it at 100 miles an hour. I'm just making sure you're not having a medical condition or anything.
I don't think
Do you need an ambulance?
No, fuck, I don't think so.
All right. All right. Just your registration. Is your license in here?
No, it's in my pocket.
All right.
I've been driven this car quite some time.
It's fast, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, too fast. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, Mr. McMahon, how you doing? Hi, I'm the investigating trooper. Okay. So, how you doing? I know who you are. So.
Can you send out like Greenwich unit?
So Trooper Robbins, that was following in the unmarked vehicle, said you were doing over 100 miles an hour. All right, before you struck the vehicle. So.
I'm talking to the officer. Talk to him.
All right, so I'm going to be issuing you a misdemeanor summons for reckless driving, okay? So it's just going to take me about 10 minutes to write it up. I'll give you a court date, probably within 3 weeks or a month. Do you reside in Connecticut? I'm not sure. Okay, so it'll be, where are we? Westport? Yeah. All right, so it'll be the court right here.
This wasn't just a celebrity crash. The vehicle involved a Bentley Continental GT Speed, producing over 600 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds. Reports indicate the car may have been traveling at over 100 miles per hour. At that speed, stopping distance increases dramatically, and so does the margin for error. Following the crash, McMahon was cited for reckless driving and following too closely. He was granted entry into a pre-trial diversion program, which allows charges to be dismissed if specific conditions were met, including a charitable contribution and remaining violation-free for a designated period. No fatalities were reported. Thank you for watching.